Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with my mixture of titanium white pouring medium and polyurethane satin varnish again, and I will try to do kind of a straight pour with some swipes or smears or whatever you want to call them, and I will add some gold and metallic cobalt blue and this white mixture with polyurethane and some Payne's gray and some red, payrolle red, some white again, and gold, and metallic cobalt, this white again, Payne's gray, and red, a little black. Okay, and I will pour just a puddle of this white here, and I will pour from up high first. Okay, and I will grab some cards and do some smears, and then I will tilt this. I will add some black cell activator on my card, and all the mixtures and everything are in the description box, so if you want to check them there. I'm just thinking oops. I'm just racking it. I'm not going for, I don't know, something. I like this part, so I will leave this. Okay, I will pour a little of my white around, just in case. I just don't like this blue part there. Okay, let's tilt this out. Try to see what is happening. So definitely like this part more than that part, so this should go off first. I will just try to tilt a little of this off, but I don't want to lose that part. So back. And I'm done. This was a quick one. Try to find some matchy colors to put them here on the corners. And then I will torch it and take you for a close-up. And I'm really happy with this painting for now. And I expect some pearl cells to pop out, so let me grab my torch. I will just try to torch in just in some places, just to okay, and I'm probably done. No, I'm not, because I don't like this big cell here, so try to camouflage it a little bit. And this one here, and some fairies appeared, and this one here, this one here, And now I'm really done. So I will just turn this light off. No, the other one. So we'll try to show you a close-up without the glare. And I have to say that I really like this. Those clouds and sparkles and a little lacing, and this is way my favorite part, this top here, because colors are just beautiful. And I like the whole composition of this painting because it reminds me kind of a mountains with, I don't know, a genie here, and you have this background. So I think that it's really nice painting, and I love the colors and everything. So I'm happy with this one. Tell me what you think about it. And if you like it, you can subscribe if you didn't yet. Leave a comment. You know what to do. I like this part here too. Really beautiful. So this is it for today. And see you on the next one. Bye.